Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. I had a great time today at the mill. I have 17 3/8 by 12 inch by 7 foot long boards I needed milled, and I have this nice little 1.5 by 12 inch 1 by 12 that's 7 foot long. 3/8, that's a pretty thin board, and my Ripper's 37 just killed it today. Just was awesome. Nice straight cuts. Everything looked good. If you want to see how I did this, stick around to the end of the video and watch me cut this. All right, guys, here we go. Let's get going. A couple things I got to do first, though. Before we get this mill fired up and cut this white pine up, I got to thank two guys, Todd from Todd's Outside Again and Dan from Back 40 Firewood. I saw both of you guys at the Paul Bunyan Show and a bunch of others, and you guys reached out and gave a couple stickers. That's awesome. I'm actually getting stickers made up too. If you guys want some stickers, when I get them made up, if you want one, I'll send them to you. And if you would like to get your sticker on the Frontier OS27 Sawmill, I will gladly advertise your channel for you. So my address is in the description at the bottom of each video. It's not obviously my personal address, so you can send stuff there. Now let's get this video going and get this white pine cut up.
Well, guys, we had it again. We had the echoey microphone. So what I'm explaining here is I had a little wave here for the first cut. Not sure exactly why, because there's no knot here. But I go through and I cut it again. I slow down in this area, and it did resolve it, and I was able to cut that wave out and didn't have any other issues for the rest of the log. That's much better now that I slowed it down through that little hard spot. As I go through the log, I don't have any other issues, though, so it turned out pretty well. Here's something to be aware of. Sometimes when you roll the log, this bark will get cut up underneath it, or you'll get sawdust under your log, and it will put your cant at a big angle. I'm glad I noticed this. I've done this in the past where I've cut it, and I've kind of put a taper on the cant, so here I am lifting it back up. I'm going to pull that piece of bark out. Fortunately, I noticed it though before I ran the mill through it.
All right, guys, after getting that log completely milled up, I noticed a couple of things, and I want to show you. If you notice, look at all that sap on my log cap, or bunk cap. And check out my blade. Look how clean this blade is here. No pitch on it whatsoever. It looks brand new. Ripper 37, 10-degree blade. And all I was running is soap and water in that white pine. If you've milled white pine before, you know it can be pretty sticky sometimes. So those 3/8 boards turned out really neat. 17 3/8 boards and 1 1.5 inch, or a 2x12, 1.5 inch by 12 by 7 foot long. They turned out really nice.